Video is the now and future of content, and VEED is shaking things up when it comes to AI video content creation. So in today's video, I'm going to show you their new GPT, which allows you to create crazy good videos directly in ChatGPT. Let's crack on. All right, so what is VEED? VEED is an AI online video editing platform that makes creating videos easy and accessible to anyone. And these guys aren't mucking around. They've raised $35 million from Sequoia, one of the top VC firms in the world. And they've just dropped a GPT called VideoGPT, which has now made it possible to create insanely good videos directly in ChatGPT. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how that works. All right, so you're going to need to navigate to the GPT store, and so you're going to need a ChatGPT premium subscription for that. And assuming you have that, go to the GPT store and type VEED or VideoGPT, and what you're looking for is this blue icon, VEED.io. Click on it. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar video through this GPT. It's one of their latest functionalities they've released, and it's pretty epic, if I must say so. So an AI avatar obviously it's a character that's created from AI that's going to read through a script for a video that you've kind of formulated the idea for. Okay, so step one, choose AI avatar video if that's what you want to do. Step two, choose the AI avatar that you want to go with. So 6 come up. I'm going to go with Devon. I like the name. Devon kind of looks like me a little bit, I guess. So let's go with Devon. VideoGPT will come back and say, great choice. Devon will be the avatar for your video. Now let's decide on the theme or topic for your video. Could you share more about what you'd like your video to focus on? This will help us craft a detailed video project prompt. Awesome. So I prepared a bit of a video topic. So I've just let that generate. And I'll walk you through what I've written. So for the content topic for this video, I said I run an entrepreneur motivation Instagram page, and so I want you to create a video on the concept pain is temporary, quitting is forever. So don't quit, keep at it. And then I've just said requirement script should focus on the actual idea. You should not read out the avatar's name or talk about transitions. It should be not too long. It should have a compelling hook, etc. And look how quick it's come back. Right, now it's come back based on your requirements. Here's an outline for the video project prompt. Pain is temporary, quitting is forever, a message of perseverance. Ever felt like you're at the end of the rope, ready to give up? You're not alone, but here's the truth. Come up with body, remembering that you're pain. Conclusion, the pain you feel today is a strength. Background imagery, sure, or background imagery is motivate. Okay. I've quickly gone through it because I'm just going to hit continue because it's going to need a minute or two just to actually generate the video. But as you can see real quickly there, just maybe at a high level, that kind of all made sense, right? It aligned to my brief up the top where I wanted a video that's going to be a motivational video on the concept, pain is temporary, quitting is forever. So don't quit, keep at it. And it has come back with a script, right? Aligned to that, like within seconds. That's awesome. Like I've written a bit of script in my time and I don't write scripts that quickly. All right. So it's going to start with ever felt like you're at the end of your rope, ready to give up, you're not alone, but here's the truth you need to hear. That's a pretty nice intro line. All right. Now let's go allow. So I've said continue. Now it needs to actually connect up to the VEED platform. So your video project was generated successfully, pretty quick, pretty quick. So this is going to generate, here it is. Let me just wait for it to come through before I click on anything. But how quick is this, guys? Like anyone that's done actual video content creation knows it takes a ton of time to write a script and actually create a video. The fact that we're anywhere close to being finished after a couple of minutes is crazy. All right. Let me just click on this link now. This is cool. Does your video still need more tweaks? You can easily load your generated video in the VEED editor and add finishing touches. So let me just open it, click on this link. Okay, we're creating a video. This may take a few minutes. Don't close the video. Okay. Perfect. Let's just quickly go back to the message. So this is a good little tidbit to take on. So this video is going to generate, honestly, something pretty close that you can post without doing too much. But when you go in there and we go into the video editor, which we will do in a minute, you can edit everything. You can edit the subtitles, you can edit the imagery, you can edit the text, you can edit the colors, you can edit everything. This is a super powerful video editing platform. I've been super impressed. And so I'll show you 1 and 2 edits that you can do. But for now, let's wait for this video to buffer, which you should do in the next minute or so. And look, just a quick, let's go and just do a quick recap on what the actual step process to how we got here while it's generating. Step 1, go into the GPT store, search for VEED or VideoGPT. For this workflow, we're doing an AI avatar. So select AI avatar as one of the quick actions. Select your avatar. I chose Devon, and then it's going to ask you for more details in the video. And so I played around with this quite extensively. The more details you provide around what you want for your video. So my video idea was around an Instagram motivational page, and I had like a handful of dot points under it. But honestly, the more detail you provide, the better the output would be. So it's worth really thinking about, from a content creation perspective, getting real specific and adding a lot of details into that original prompt or answer or idea around your image to get the output you want. Okay. Now we've landed in. We're in the VEED video editor. Super powerful. And I'm not going to edit anything. I'm just going to press play and see what comes back. All right.
Ever felt like you're at the end of your rope, ready to give up? You're not alone. But here's a truth you need to hear. Every successful entrepreneur has faced moments of doubt and pain. It's part of the journey. Imagine climbing a mountain. The higher you go, the harder it gets. Your muscles ache, your breath becomes shallow. But you keep going because you know that the view from the top will be worth it. The pain is temporary, but the feeling of accomplishment lasts forever. Or picture yourself in a storm. The wind is howling, rain is pouring down. It feels like the world is against you, but you stand strong, weathering the storm. Because you know that after the rain, there will be a rainbow. The pain is temporary, but the lessons learned will shape you forever. Now contrast that with quitting. Quitting is like turning back on the mountain, never reaching the summit. Quitting is like hiding from the storm, never seeing the beauty of the rainbow. Quitting is a choice that leads to regret and missed opportunities. So don't let the fear of the journey make you quit. Embrace the pain, the setbacks, and the challenges. There are temporary conditions on the path to success. Remember, the pain you feel today is the strength you'll have tomorrow. Your future self will thank you for the battles you choose not to flee from. Because in the end, pain is temporary, but quitting lasts forever. Keep at it, and you'll see the rewards that perseverance brings.
Damn, how good was that? Like, that all made sense. You could understand all the words. The imagery behind it was kind of like I said, it was like, it just fit. That was awesome. What a great video. And that was like less than 5 minutes to actually do. And look, this, you can come in here, right? You might want to change some things. You might want to change some of the words. You might want to change the imagery. If you want to change the imagery, right? Say you didn't like this original image, you can just click on it and do replace the media and swap in another image. Say you don't like, what else? Let's say the subtitles, all right? Here's the subtitle settings here. You can go read through the different subtitles. What style? All right, you want to change the different style, right? You want black background, white text, or you like the yellow. You can change that too, all right? This is a super powerful platform to come in here and edit that video, but realistically, I don't really need any of that because that video kind of worked. It made sense, could post it, right? But you do have the option with VEED to do the editing that you need to do if you want to do it, all right? So, guys, killer GPT, VideoGPT. We got a video that made sense, an AI avatar video that made sense within less than 10 minutes. So I highly recommend, guys, that you check out VEED GPT. Just a reminder, search VideoGPT or VEED in the GPT store, and it should come up. Try it out, guys. I'll make sure to link to it below. Let us know how you go. But until next time, have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.